Yan po.
Okay. Okay, that was very impressive and very eye-catching, no, yung website na ginawa mo. And Nora, thank you for joining us today. So this will be the phase 2 of your application process. In this stage, we'll be focusing on assessing your skills, syempre, and seeing how you apply them in real scenarios. This will help us determine, of course, if your qualifications match what we're looking for this position. So, can you do it?
Yes, ma'am, of course. So, let me walk you through it. So, first nga po, we need to search the Black Box AI on Google. Then, after that, we need to go to its website. Then, kailangan po natin siyang pagawain ng prompt para doon sa website project natin. So, yan, for example, perfume green store nga po yung napindot ko. Yung pinapagawa ko. So, gawin po natin siyang 3D. So, maganda po yung visual niya sa mga customers. Yes po, very handy talaga. Then, copy lang po natin yung prompt na yan. Yan, kinakopy po natin. Then, paste din po natin sa kanya. No, pupunta po tayo sa app builder niya. And then, paste lang. After ng paste, and then we click to deploy. And we have it. And scroll down ko lang po, ma'am. So, ayan. Ayan na po example ng website na nagagawa niya.
No, na kahit sabi mo bago ka sa field na to, you were very resourceful, very efficient, and effective website maker, no?